Morning everyone. This week's spotlight trade from IG is gold. We are looking at the most anticipated breakout of 2025. But before you jump in, let me walk you through exactly how we got here and where we might be heading next. Gold spent months trading sideways in a tight range from April through July 2025, while still respecting the year-to-date uptrend line that had been supporting prices since early 2025. This consolidation zone became a critical battleground between bulls and bears. Now in July, selling pressure finally overwhelmed the bulls. Gold broke below the year-long uptrend, triggering a sell-off that brought prices to retest the lower boundary of this consolidation zone around 3,270. This level proved to be a magnet for bargain hunters. We recognize this as a major support level, and dip buyers aggressively stepped in. As September approached, historically it's a challenging month for risk assets, and gold began showing strength. We can see the first failed retest of the broken uptrend on August 8th. Then came September, with gold decisively breaking back above the uptrend, confirming the breakout from the consolidation zone is strong. The rally didn't stop there. Gold smashed through the major psychological level of 3,500, transforming what was once resistance into solid support. This level now serves as the foundation for the next leg higher. We do have some technical warnings though. RSI, for example, indicates flashing overbought conditions across multiple time frames since yesterday, yet the bulls refused to surrender. This divergence suggests profit taking could be looming. Now the key levels to watch. Support zones, we have 3,508 to 3,500. It's a major support, strong psychological level. We have 3,475, a secondary local support. 3,450, it's a critical support. Break below here signals deeper correction. As for resistance zone, we have 3,550, it's the gateway to uncharted territories. 3,570, it's the next technical target if 3,500 breaks. Now, watch for profit taking near current levels, but any pullback to 3,500 support zone could offer another entry opportunity for the next leg of this historic bull run.